Hi everyone! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday morning. Medyo naguluhan ako guys eh. Happy Wednesday morning sa inyong lahat. Because it's already 12 a.m. So, gagawa tayo ulit ng panibagong pick a card reading. So, maraming salamat po doon sa mga nakapanood po nung ating um, bagong upload. So, I really appreciate yung mga person na nagko-comment, aking mga viewers na nagko-comment and subscribers. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Na-appreciate ko po yung simpleng pag-comment po ninyo sa ating video. So for today, we're going to do another pick a card reading para sa inyong lahat. So ang topic natin is ano ba yung dahilan or reason bakit ka nagustuhan ng person mo or person on your mind. So, titingnan natin, ano ba yung mga qualities mo, traits mo, physically, pwedeng yung mismong attitude mo or behavior mo na nagustuhan ng person mo sa'yo. Okay, so titingnan natin yon. So, sa harapan ninyo, we have two piles. Again, this is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. So, tingnan natin. Ano yung reason niya? Bakit kanya nagustuhan? Okay. Don't get me wrong guys ha. Gusto is, baka kasi sabihin ng iba, Ma'am Liluna, iba naman yung gusto sa mahal eh. Parang ganon. Pero guys ha, tingnan lang natin. This is a gusto or like. So, po pwedeng this is para dun sa mga person na still developing pa yung emotions ng person nila sa kanila or new connection, po pwedeng ganon. So, titingnan natin. Okay? So, pili na kayo guys. I will give you seconds or 1 minute to choose your pile. So, this is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. Okay? So, meditate on your cards, on your pile, and choose yung cards sa tingin mong mag-resonate sa'yo. So, this is pile number 1 and pile number 2. So, pili na kayo guys. And mag-start na tayo agad once nakapili na kayo. Happy tayo guys. Okay. So, sa aking mga viewers kung nakapili na kayo, so let's start with our pile number 1. So, tabi lang muna natin yung ating pile 2. So, pile number 1. Ano ba yung mga reason or dahilan bakit ka nagustuhan ng person mo? So, komposto ng Oracle deck and tarot deck natin. Okay? So, titingnan natin. Ilalapag ko muna yung mga cards bago ko basahin ang kalahatan. Okay? So, pile number 1. Bakit ka nagustuhan ng person mo? Or ito yung mga dahilan bakit ka niya nagustuhan. Seven of Wands. Nine of Cups. Fire sign, water sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Hindi ba sa inyo may pagka-mysterious or loves to wear black color? Okay. Very emotional person for some of you. Pile number 1. Can be sensitive also. Very content or kontento ka kung ano yung meron ka, hindi ka mapaghanap na kind of a person, satisfied, hindi ka mahirap i-satisfied or You are very thankful even though sa mga bagay na ginagawa sa'yo or maliliit na bagay na ginagawa sa'yo ng person mo. Kasi you are fulfilled. Okay, so kapag pinakitaan ka ng mabuti, you will choose to pay it back. Palagi mong, kung mabuti ang binigay sa'yo, mabuti rin yung sinusukli mo. For some of you, and ikaw yung klase ng person na you stand your ground. Kapag sinabi mo, sinabi mo. You have a very good boundaries sa sarili mo and sa other persons o sa ibang tao. And ikaw yung klase ng tao, yung iba sa inyo, you can stand on your own. You're very independent. Okay? You can be a high achiever. Kung tama yung pagkaka-pronounce ko, guys. You're very protective on your loved ones. Um, ayaw mo nang may naaapi. Kaya mo ipagtanggol yung sarili mo and kaya mo ipagtanggol yung mga mahal mo sa buhay. Any challenges is kaya mong lampasan yon. Very perseverance, talagang matyaga ka, matatag, na kind of a person. Okay. Six of Pentacles, Earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. Sabi ko nga 'di ba, with the balance here, you can have a placement of Libra on your chart. Pwedeng you can be a Libra, literally a Libra. Okay? You are a balanced person. Ikaw yung klase ng person na kung ano yung binibigay sa'yo, pinapakita sa'yo, sinusuklian mo yon. You believe in give and take, okay? You're a very generous kind of a person, very helpful, and very family-oriented also. So, mapagbigay ka na type ng tao. Hindi ka madamot. You can help charity, you can help, o pwedeng ikaw yung klase ng tao na nagpapaaral ng pamangkin, nagpapaaral ng kapatid, okay? You are grateful kung ano yung meron ka, hindi ka mapaghanap na klase ng tao. You are not greedy, okay? Kind of a person. So, yun yung gustong gusto ng person mo. Kaya kanya nagustuhan. And you are very supportive sa mga mahal mo sa buhay, sa kapatid mo, sa parents mo, and also sa kanya siguro. Okay? And you can have some kind of recognition on your community. So, kilala ka siguro sa inyo na mahilig kang tumulong, kilala ka ng mga kaibigan mo, ng friends mo, ng family mo, na ikaw yung klase ng tao na mahilig kang tumulong. Okay? In material aspect. Kasi you are very abundant. Uy, this is Page of Cups but it in reverse to. For some of you, okay. For some of you ha, so nakita ko na kaya ka ganon, ka-generous, ganon ka helpful sa mga mahal mo sa buhay kasi meron ako nakita dito na maybe on your childhood times, you feel neglected. Okay? That's why ayaw mo maranasan yon nung pwedeng mga pamangkin mo or ng mga mahal mo sa buhay. Kaya ipinangako mo sa sarili mo na hindi mo gagawin kung ano yung naranasan mo. Siguro po pwedeng sabi nating paghihirap. Siguro ikaw yung klase ng tao na nagsumikap ka kaya meron kang money right now. Kaya ka merong kakayahan na tumulong to give back sa community, magpaaral ng pamangkin. So meron akong nakitang gano'n na meron akong nakita na you can be sensitive. Meron din ako nakita for some of you is maaga kang naging adult. Or siguro talagang ikaw is lumaki ka sa hirap. Kaya alam mo yung mga dapat mong gawin. Lumaki ka na naturuan ng maayos ng magulang mo or natuto kang tumayo sa sarili mong paa. Kaya you're very independent kind of a person. And ayaw mo na may inaapi kasi siguro nanggaling ka doon sa sitwasyon na walang-wala ka before tapos siguro parang minamaliit ka. Ganun yung nakita ko guys ha. Siguro minamaliit ka, nakaranas ka na maliitin or sabihin nating pagdamutan. Kaya ipinangako mo sa sarili mo na hindi mo gagawin yun. Okay? So titingnan natin. This is Six of Cups. You can be an inosente. Okay. May pagka-inosente ka pa rin na part sa'yo. So, you're very uh, kind person. Naniniwala ka sa patas na pagtrato sa bawat tao. So, yun yung mga nagustuhan sa'yo nung person mo. And you can be an old soul. O pwedeng you are very intelligent. Okay? So, po pwedeng this person na nagkakagusto sa'yo is a childhood or a friend. Okay? So, po pwedeng friend to or kababata mo or from the past. Okay? So, ikaw yung klase ng tao sigurong pinapahalagahan mo yung memories. Okay? So, ikaw yung, ano nga bang tawag doon? Sentimental. You're a very sentimental kind of a person. Mm. You can be a healer because you can give comfort also sa mga taong nangangailangan. You can give them advice. Okay, mahilig kang siguro magbigay ng advice. Mahilig kang tumulong, whether material or emotional support. Po pwedeng one of your love language is gift giving. So, ikaw yung klase ng tao na mahilig, ano ka, marunong kang lumingon sa pinanggalingan mo, marunong kang tumanaw ng utang na loob. Ikaw yung klaseng person na yun. You're very pure-hearted kind of a person. Pile number one. So, yun yung nagustuhan daw sa'yo nung person mo. Okay? Or yung person on your mind, person na nagkakagusto sa'yo. Okay. So, pwedeng sometimes you can be an emotional, you can have an emotional immaturity pa rin. Can be a sensitive person. Kasi you're very, pure-hearted eh. Siyempre, naniniwala ka siguro na kapag ka napagsalitaan ka ng masakit, nasasaktan ka agad kasi hindi mo naman kasi ginagawa sa ibang tao yun, kaya masakit sa'yo kapag tinatrato ka ng ganun. So, meron akong nakuhang ganun, okay? So, let's see. You can be a Libra, uh, sabi ko nga, okay, so tingnan pa natin. Phoenix. Di ba? Some of you is Scorpio. You're growing, evolving, always evolving, growing. For some of you, po pwedeng mabilis magbago ang isip mo, pabago-bago ng isip. It can be, Phoenix is, sabi ko nga, baka galing ka sa mahirap or Ikaw yung klase ng tao na maraming pinagdaanan sa buhay. That's why you earn a lot of lessons in life. And be an old soul. Can be a fast-paced person also. And hindi takot sa transformation. Sometimes you forget or you neglect yourself. Siguro po pwedeng nagkakaroon ka ng overgiving sa others. Siguro yun yung napapansin ng person mo. And siguro before, if you neglect yourself, siguro right now you are focused on yourself. So yun yung gusto niya sa'yo. Ito yung dahilan kung bakit kanya nagustuhan. You're focused on yourself, you know your worth, right? You learned to love yourself, know your worth, you heal yourself doon sa mga pinagdaanan mo. Okay, you done shadow work. So meron akong nakita na you know your worth, you appreciate yourself. Okay. Siguro before, naranasan mo nga, kasi nga, meron ako nakita dito neglecting inner child. So, siguro before, ang pakiramdam mo is you are not enough. Okay. And always ka sigurong nasasaktan sa mga past relationship mo. Okay. Kaya nag-overgiving ka. And hindi ka siguro confident before, pero siguro natutunan mo na maging confident. Okay? And siguro nga yung nakikita ko ditong emotional immaturity is po pwedeng jealous or being jealous sa ibang bagay. And siguro natutunan mo na i-heal yun. Okay? Pero din ako nakita dito na ikaw yung klase ng tao na hindi ka mapagmataas. Oo, hindi ka mapagmataas na type of a person. You always put your feet on the ground. So, dahil alam mo kung paano maging mahirap, na ranasan mo yung, alam mo yon yung hirap sa buhay, alam mo na hindi dapat nang mamaliit ng tao. Kasi naranasan mo na ganunin ka. So, yun yung nakikita ko. Yun yung nagustuhan ng person mo. Maybe this person nga is kilala ka. This is a childhood person. Okay? Kilala ka nitong person na to. Maybe this is a friend or some sabihin nating secret suitor, sabihin natin, or secret na nagmamahal sa'yo. So nakita nila yung transformation mo na yun. Nakita niya yung transformation mo na yun with this phoenix na dati feeling mo you are not enough. You are siguro natin sabihin nating overgiving. Selosa ka siguro dati, immature ka pa, sensitive ka, pero you transform yourself, you renew yourself. So yun yung gusto nung person mo. You are not afraid to learn lesson or to renew yourself, to transform. Okay? So, tingnan pa natin. Jupiter, expansion, o di ba? Um, sabi ko nga, you can be a very generous kind of a person. Okay? And for some of you, you are very lucky. Okay? You are very lucky na person. You can be a teacher, or you are so many word of wisdom na sinishare sa mga taong nakapaligid sa iyo or sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. You can be Sagittarius kasi meron ako nakitang you are not afraid to explore yourself, to know more of your shadow side, okay? So, hindi ka takot and hindi ka din judgmental. So, yun yung isa sa mga nagustuhan nung person mo or nung tung person na on your mind. Okay? You can be a positive person also. So, meron ako ditong nakikita na for some of you, you can be a speaker, a counselor. Okay, so meron ako nakikita na ganun, a teacher. You help people. Okay? You teach people. So, po pwedeng this person is natulungan mo, nagkaroon ka ng malaking impact sa buhay nitong person na to. Okay? Itong nakikita tong mga quality mo na to. Kilala ka niya. Kaya, alam niya kung ano yung pinagdaanan mo. Okay? You are not afraid to learn also. So, meron ako nakikita na though marami ka nang natutunan and nalaman na lessons, you are not afraid to learn new things, to explore, tumanggap ng mga hindi mo pa nalalaman. Hindi ka nga mapagmataas eh. You are not a bossy, a boastful kind of a person. Ikaw yung klase ng person na marunong kang mag-appreciate ng opinion ng iba, marunong kang makinig sa sasabihin ng iba. Ikaw yung klase ng tao na alam, hindi nag-feeling na parang alam na lahat, parang ganon. You can be a very beautiful person also, ha? Meron ako nakita dito. Very feminine for some of you. Kasi meron ako nakitang parang may ano ka pa rin eh, childlike nature. Mahilig ka sa adventure. Mhm. So, tingnan natin. Evidence. So, ikaw rin yung klase ng tao na you are not a judgmental, sabi mo nga kanina. Hindi ka naniniwala basta-basta sa sabi-sabi kasi ikaw yung klase ng tao na kailangan may proof bago maniwala or bago magdesisyon. You can be a very intuitive person also, very intelligent person. So, meron akong nakita na you can be a Virgo or a logical thinker, Libra, air sign, Gemini. Okay. Isa sa mga nagustuhan din sa'yo nung person mo is very, ano ka, very detailed oriented ka kasi kahit hindi sabihin sa'yo nung person mo kung ano yung gusto niya, alam mo, nalalaman mo kasi by, ano lang, by looking or nakikiramdam, alam mo kung malungkot ba yung person, may pinagdadaanan ba, can be an empath also. Sabi ko nga, empath. Strategy. Okay. So you can be tarot reader also. You can read mind. Sabi ko nga, 'di ba? You know to read the energy or the emotion of a person. So you're very empathic person also. So you're very, alam mo 'yon, kung yung klase ng tao na malalahanin, may pake sa paligid mo. Ikaw yung klase ng tao na very warm ang personality. So, yun yung gustong-gusto sa'yo ng person mo. Yun yung nagustuhan niya sa'yo. Kasi, never niyang naramdaman na parang, ano eh, parang binaliwala mo siya. Oo. O pwede rin, you love to give gift and talagang pinag-iisipan mo yon and alam mo na magugustuhan ng person mo or pagbibigyan mo kasi nga you are very, alam mo yon, mapagmasid, alam mo kung ano yung gusto ng person kahit hindi niya sabihin sa'yo. Alam niyo yung paborito niyang pagkain, alam mo yung paborito niyang color, parang ganon. You're very honest also. Okay? Hindi ka nababayaran, hindi ka nadadala ng kasinungalingan, hindi ka, alam mo yon yung hindi ka nadadala, hindi ka mabilis masuway. Okay. You can be a good, very good friend also. Very trusted kind of a person. Honest, okay? So, ikaw yung klase, you can be a Scorpio ha. Meron akong nakita akong Scorpio, Libra, Virgo. You are a true friend. Ikaw yung klase ng kaibigan, ng partner na kahit anong mangyari, hindi mo susukuan at iiwanan yung person. Willing kang tumulong. Yung tipo bang tutulong ka, ibigay mo na yung kabila mong kamay, wala sa'yo, you don't mind kahit ibigay mo pa kung ano yung meron ka. Kasi ang katwiran mo is, o pwedeng mababawi mo rin naman yun, or mabilis lang kitain yun, basta ganun. Yun yung isa sa nagustuhan sa'yo ng person mo. Eternal love. Sabi ko nga, di ba, if you love a person, you love this person wholeheartedly, eternally, hanggang sa tumanda, you can be a very loyal kind of a person and a faithful person. And uh, you know how to take care of memories. Alam mo, napahalagahan yung mga taong mahal mo, malapit sa'yo. Especially your parents, okay. You're very consistent also. So, meron ako nakikitang gano'n. You're very consistent kind of a person. So, yun yung nagustuhan sa'yo nung person on your mind or nitong person na to na nagkakagusto sa'yo, guys. Very warm personality. Ikaw yung ideal partner na gugustuhin nitong person na to na makakasama niya pagtanda niya. Kung sino man tong person na to, guys. So, this is your angel number. Last three card, pile number 1. I am a visionary. Number 12. Creativity is a driving force in your life. Your imagination is rich and you are able to express your feelings and insights in unique ways that others can benefit from. So, sabi ko nga, you can be a very helpful kind of a person. So, ikaw yung klase ng tao na kapag umangat ka, gusto mo yung mga mahal mo sa buhay or yung partner mo, friends mo is kasama mo na magiging okay ang buhay. Okay? You're a visionary. So, you envision na kailangan ganito rin sila, kailangan maayos din yung buhay nila, okay? That magbe-benefit din yung other person or your partner. Hindi ka selfish na person. File number 1. I am creative. So for some of you na pumili ng file number, you can be a very creative person, very intelligent, malayang mag-isip. Okay, so you can be a Gemini, okay, a fast-paced person. You can be an overthinker also. Angels are ready to fully support you in this endeavor so that you can co-create with the universe a life you love. Okay? So, you can be spiritual, a tarot reader, a mind reader, okay, empath or a healer. Okay? So, o pwedeng mahilig ka din sa hayop, mabait ka sa lahat. You're a pure-hearted person. So, ito yung nagustuhan sa'yo or ito yung reason ng person mo kung bakit kanya nagustuhan. And last one, I am harmonious. You relate to others on an almost cosmic level. You are dedicated to building harmonious relationships of all kinds. You have the ability to persuade others to your point of view by using gentle means. So, ikaw yung klase ng person na you can persuade others with a gentle communication. Ikaw yung klase ng tao na hindi ka masakit magsalita. Okay? Ikaw yung klase ng tao na nire-respeto. Kapag nagsalita ka, people or person talking to you will listen. Okay? Pinagkakatiwalaan ka ng mga tao. May tiwala sila sa'yo kasi alam nila na you are a very pure or a kind-hearted person na hindi masama ang intention mo towards other. So, malaki ang respeto sa'yo ng community ninyo, ng mga friends mo, ng mga nakakilala sa'yo, especially your family and this person. So, kung sino man tong person na to on your mind or nagkakagusto sa'yo, ito yung reason niya kung bakit kanya nagustuhan. Kasi marami kang natutulungan, marami kang napagbabago. You're a very gentle person. You're very feminine. Okay? You know how to stand on your own, pero you have the feminine side of you na, alam mo yon, very balanced. Ayaw mo ng may pagkakagalit, ayaw mo ng may nagkakagalit or may nag-aaway. Gusto mo yung naayos ang isang bagay sa maayos na pag-uusap. So, nagkaroon ka man ng issues before sa sarili mo, natutunan mo na ayusin yon and i-heal yung sarili mo. Okay? So, pile number one, though hindi natin nakita mostly yung physical side of you na nagustuhan ng person mo, pero nakita ko na most of all the characteristic or behavior na meron ka is yun yung nagustuhan ng person mo on your mind or itong person na to. So I hope nag-resonate sa'yo to pal number one. Kung hindi man, okay lang. Okay? So, ang sign na meron tayo is fire sign, water sign, earth sign. Um, okay. Cup. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. So, I hope nag-resonate sa ito, pal number one. I really appreciate kung mag-comment ka kung nag-resonate sa iyo to. And kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please do subscribe para ma-reach na natin ng 4,000 subscribers. So, I hope nagustuhan mo tong reading mo pa number one. Hindi ko napapatagalin. I will go to pile number two. Pile number two, kung itong pile na to ang napili mo, so this is your reading. So, ang topic natin is ito yung reason or dahilan kung bakit ka nagustuhan ng person mo. Okay, so titingnan natin ano yung mga characteristic mo, personality mo, or can be physical trait mo na nagustuhan itong person mo on your mind or itong person na nagkakagusto sa'yo. Okay? Strength card. Can be a Leo, fire sign. Oh, divine feminine. This is Three of Cups in reverse, independent, oh, for some of you, you can be an introvert person. You love to have your own space. You can be a compassionate kind of a person, a courageous one. Tahimik, meron akong nakita ditong tahimik, iba sa inyo. Hangman in reverse. Water sign. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Okay. For some of you, talagang malakas na nakikita ko na introverted ka. You are living the life of solitude. Kasi pwedeng, kaya naging ganun yung behavior mo, pwedeng nasaktan ka on your past, pwedeng they put you on a third party situation, chinismis ka, you have no support from others. The magician in reverse. They manipulate you. They deceive you. Kaya siguro um, hindi ka na masyadong nagtitiwala. You're very guarded. Seven of Swords in reverse. Okay, so kaya ano ka guarded ka, hindi ka masyado, mahirap makuha yung ano mo, tiwala mo. So, this person likes you kasi ikaw yung klase ng tao na hindi madaling makuha yung tiwala mo, hindi madaling makuha yung oras mo. You don't waste your time on a nonsense group, nonsense talk. Ikaw yung klase ng person na mas gugustuhin mong mapag-isa kaysa makipagchismisan, makipagkwentuhan, or makipag-party. Ayaw mo sa mga impostor na person, okay? Sa mga manipulator, meron akong nakita na you are very intelligent also, na you know how to take care of your resources. You're very wise na person. Pile number two, siguro, yung mga naranasan mo before is yun yung naging dahilan kung bakit naging ganyan yung personality mo. Yes. You have a small group of friends, hindi ka mahilig makapagkwentuhan, makapagchismisan. Pile number two, um, you can be a slow person when it comes on a decision making kasi nag-iingat ka sa pagdidesisyon. Very masinop ka rin. Ayaw mo na na-waste yung time mo or yung energy mo or yung resources mo. Okay? And meron ako nakikita na ikaw yung klase ng person na mahirap kang ayain. Mahirap kunin yung time mo. Yes, may nakikita ko, mahirap kunin yung time mo o yung oras mo. Kasi you're very truth, very frank, very real kind of a person. Ayaw mo sa mga plastic. Yes. Mm. Yan ang gusto ng person mo sa'yo. Very strength or very malakas. You can be, sabi natin, intimidating. Mm. Very feminine, yet very feminine ha. Intimidating yet very feminine. You can be mysterious also. Meron ako nakitang mysterious. Oo. Secretive. Meron ako nakitang secretive pero hindi sneaky. Okay, hindi sneaky. Secretive ka on your personal life, on your kung ano nangyayari sa'yo, pero hindi ka sneaky, hindi ka sinungaling. Okay? You're not selfish also. Mabilis kang mabored. So, tingnan pa natin. Heartbroken. Diba sabi ko nga, you are deeply hurt. Okay, you are deeply hurt before. There are, once upon a time, someone broke your trust or your heart. Kaya siguro, you learn to, alam mo yung cut off people, to have boundaries. Meron din ako nakita na you can be yung for some of you ha, you can persuade a person also. Okay. You can you know how to persuade the conversation, a person, pero hindi mo ginagawa kasi you are a very uh, truthful person, very frank ka. Chaser. Siguro, for some of you, meron ako nakita dito before, maybe you are a chaser. Someone broke your heart, but you keep chase that person. Kasi siguro, you can be in a codependent relationship before. You don't love yourself. Katulad ng pile number one. Okay, you have an abandonment issue. Ngayon, siguro natuto ka to be alone, to be alone, to have a solitude. Okay? Mag-isa. Natuto kang mag-isa, i-cut off yung mga taong impostora, impostor, na hindi maganda ang ibinibigay or dala sa buhay mo. Can cause gossip. Okay? Clock. Need time takes time. Di ba? You can be a very slow moving kind of a person also. So, mahalaga sa iyo ang oras mo, ayaw mong nasasayang. Um, ikaw din yung klase ng tao na you take your time, okay? Kaya siguro, um, sabi ng iba, nai-stagnant ka ng matagal or ano ka, makupad yung pag-progress mo or pagdidesisyon mo kasi nga, nag-iingat ka. You are very cautious. Okay? Lalo na sa pagtitiwala din, sa magiging kaibigan. So, yun siguro yun yung nagustuhan ng person mo sa'yo. Pisces, the mystic. Okay? You love animals. So, meron ako nakikita na you can be a animal lover or pet lover. Very empathic. Okay. Mysterious also. Sabi ko nga, di ba? Can be a spiritual person also. Sometimes maybe uh, nagkakaroon ka ng self-pity sa sarili mo dahil doon sa nangyari sa'yo before. Kasi nga may na-heartbroken ka siguro dati. Pero Pisces is very, sabihin natin, flexible naman eh. Very flexible ng Pisces. So, fish sign yan eh. Dalawang fish na sign. Very compassionate also. Oo, very empathic ka kasi. Kaya siguro nailagay ka sa narcissist relationship before eh. Na heartbroken ka. And alam to siguro nung person na to. Alam din itong person na to eh. Na ganun yung nangyari sa'yo. That's why siguro isa yun sa nagustuhan niya na natuto kang ano eh, mag-stand sa sarili mo, mas natuto kang mag-isa. Yung hindi ka pala yung hindi ka na ano, hindi ka na pala kaibigan or hindi sabihin natin pala kaibigan yung nag-iingat ka na. You have a small circle of friends, okay? So, meron din ako ditong very feminine, nakita very feminine energy. Okay? Maganda on a physical aspect. Meron ako nakita na for some of you very yung iba ha, yung iba na hindi mag-resonate sa intimidating, you're very feminine and soft-spoken person. Okay, malambing, magical, very feminine ng pile number 2. Can be a divine feminine. Karamihan sa inyo babae ang pumili. Na karamihan babae. You can be a swimmer, a good swimmer. So, isa yun sa nagustuhan sa'yo nung person na to, person on your mind. Very, di ba? Can be a Pisces, imaginative, imagination. Di ba? Fantasy. Di ba? Mind. You can be a very, you can be childish also. Hindi, ibig sabihin na childish or, ano, huge imagination, sabihin natin ganon. Um, childlike nature. So, ikaw yung klase ng person na parang masaya ka kasama. Kasi, um, hindi alam ng tao na kahit sabihin natin introvert ka, kapag kasama ka or dun sa mga taong close mo, masarap kang kasama kasi you're very creative, very imaginative, okay? Hindi nakakainip kasama. Hikay, yung iba sa inyo, kayang i-entertain yung sarili. Confinement. Mhm. For some of you, meron ako nakikita dito. Blind. Sige, lapag na natin. Okay. And top. Okay. So, for some of you ha, hindi ko lang alam ha, though weird to ha, siguro yung iba sa inyo may some kind of pettiness sa sarili. Or can be feeling niya victim siya. Or siguro ikaw yung klase ng person na ano ka eh, very feminine ka eh. Mabilis kang, alam mo, kasi yung merong childlike nature, mabilis kang mapasaya. Or siguro, ano ko ba sabihin? Alam mo yung parang bata. Mabilis kang painan dati. Parang ganon. Oo. Paano ko ba ano to explain? For some of you ha, natatakot siguro yung yung iba sa'yo kasi feeling nila kapag ka naging karelasyon ka nila is they will confine or they will trap sa'yo. Parang ganon. Kasi you're very magical kasi eh. Parang feeling nila they will trap kapag naging girlfriend ka, kapag naging partner ka. Kasi siguro dati, parang ano eh, kaya mo silang i-tame. Parang ganun, alam mo yon, kaya mo silang i-persuade. Paano ko ba? Akitin, parang gano'n. Kasi you're very beautiful, pile number two. Okay? So, parang ano, parang nadadala sila sa magic na meron ka. Parang merong something sa'yo na mahirap ipaliwanag. Parang gano'n. Na kaya mo silang i-tame. Siguro tong person na to on your mind or itong person na nakukuha nating energy is very masculine, very macho. Okay? Parang dumarating is, parang nangyayari kasi is parang napapasunod mo sila. Parang ganon. They become blinded pag halimbawang naging karelasyon ka, naging partner ka, naging girlfriend ka. Yes, you can manipulate them, parang ganon. May somehow sa yung magical pile number two. Yun yung nararamdaman ko, may somehow magical, may part of you na very magical na hindi niya ma-explain. So yun yung nagustuhan niya sa parang alam mo yun, siguro yung chaser na nakikita ko dito, nagiging codependent sila sa'yo kapag ka naging partner ka nila. Kasi alam mo yun, yung parang hindi sila makaka-move on kapag halimbawang uh, I don't know siguro you learn um, the way of being seductive or very enchantress, parang ganon. Or siguro natutunan mo na mahalin yung sarili mo, natutunan mo na parang ang hirap i-explain, parang ganon eh. So, tingnan natin sa angel number mo, guys. File number 2. Diba? I am charismatic. You have some kind of charisma. Diba? Expression comes naturally to you. You are very skilled at communicating your thoughts through conversation and creative pursuit. You are able to get others on board with your idea. You have some kind of charisma or magic on you na mahirap ipaliwanag or ako nga nahihirapan ako guys na i-ano na kasi meron akong nararamdaman na you're a very magical person. File number 2. Yes. You can manipulate or persuade any, especially if you're a woman, man or men or masculine na pumayag or sundin yung gusto mo. Okay? I hope na susundan nyo ako ha. Napapapayag mo sila napapa-okay mo sila. Napapa-okay mo sila sa gusto mong mangyari. Kasi meron ako nakita ditong card of manipulation. Yes. And deception. Hmm. Interesting reading. Pile number 2. Iniisip siguro nung person na to on your mind or nitong mga masculine na to na you will broke or you will break their hearts. You can be a heartbreaker, sabi nitong person na to. Can be very beautiful physically. Pile number 2. Yes. I am a leader. In an effort to accomplish great things, you recognize the value of working with others. You make a capable and compassionate leader who can bring people together and drive team toward achievement. So, uh, you can be a very intelligent, okay, okay, capable of lead. Di ba nga, you lead a leader, you lead them on. Pile number 2. You lead the masculine on. You can lead them. Napapasunod mo sila, natitame mo sila with the strength card. 'Di ba? And yun siguro, weird marinig, yun ang nagustuhan sa'yo nung person na to. On your mind or itong person na nakukuha natin na energy. Napapa-okay mo sila, napa-persuade mo sila. You're a very mystic or a very magical person. Okay, last part is I am adventurous. You have a zest for life and you are eager to experience anything and everything possible. You love change and excitement and need both to feel truly alive. For you, life is an adventure to believe to the fullest. To live to the fullest. So, sabi ko nga, diba, uh, ikaw yung klase ng tao, pile number 2, na hindi ma-explain nung mga masculine natin, kung ano yung ginagawa mo, bakit napapasunod mo sila o kahit sinong mga masculine or kahit sinong mga tao. You have a way with, on your own, kung bakit napapa-okay mo sila, napapapayag mo sila. Very mysterious, very magical. Di ba? Hindi ka exciting Parang pag naging partner ka, very exciting. You're very introvert, you're very well-behaved or sabihin natin quiet person. Pero kapag nag-act ka na or nagsalita ka na, you can persuade any person. So, ganun yung nagustuhan sa'yo nitong person na to, file number 2. Mahirap man, sana nakukuha niyo yung ibig kong sabihin Okay? You are an introvert person, yes, pero once na halimbawang kumausap ka na o kinausap ka na ng masculine or kung sino man, ano mo sila, na pa-persuade mo. May some kind of parang, sabihin natin parang gayumo or some kind of magic on you. Okay? Sabi nitong person na 'to or yung person mo on your mind. Kaya kanya nagustuhan. Kasi parang out of this world yung both physically mo and yung way mo as a person. At mahirap din niyang ma-explain kung bakit kanya nagugustuhan. Okay? So, paano number two, I hope naintindihan nyo, naunawaan nyo yung reading and nag-resonate sa inyo. Kung hindi man, okay lang yon. So, sign is Leo, Pisces, um, Gemini, Scorpio, Cancer, okay, water sign, Libra, Aquarius, air sign. Okay. So, maraming maraming salamat guys. So, I really appreciate dun sa mga nagko-comment kung resonated sa kanila. And kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please do subscribe para ma-reach na natin yung ating first 4,000 subscribers. So, asahan ninyo na patuloy ako mag-upload ng pick a card and general reading and sa awa ng Diyos, um, by zodiac sign, okay? So, pagpaumanhin na ninyo kung di ako makapag-upload ng tuloy-tuloy ng mga nakaraan, pero I will make sure na babawi ako, okay? And huwag kayong magsawang manood ng ating mga videos. Okay, maraming maraming salamat, guys. Sa suporta ninyo. Malaking tulong po yon sa akin. And nakakataba po ng puso yung suporta po ninyo. So maraming maraming salamat. Happy Wednesday morning sa inyong lahat. And God bless you all. This is La Luna Tarot. Abangan ninyo yung aking upload tomorrow. Okay? So, bye!